times now so would the or mining punto na call the outskirts of the city. That time no na so ko ba uvle assassin na o ye kwayo. No be anim kwase wo beda ni kuro. Enu ntia na me nwan me MPP fo ni bi na na me ntia mo say Joma makwa go see hospitals e si Nwurem, wakwa go see schools e si Nwurem because baby e si no with time no o man no ebe de edim puntu dwuma be de ebe call yes emu bebie entenu bi na ehu osokoba wood village je bi enya de ketwa na me de my adwe say
let's stick to your discussion.
Yes and the number say me bosso kakra
okay
yes enti discussion about ye ma me no mo machine in fact ya de bia ya sefimie pa na me de ye be ye kem mayor say intentem so ya no they should try as much as possible kejeti a second phase na si aka nsensem no enti ye de ye say baby ombo ko bo wo busia bia omo de be boa ye ma me no when ye time abaka se skeni ho kuma asiman asantima ye to abomo toma am 1.7 million votes na munyaye it's about politics enti am say owo busia e no mbekwa akobo aban enkobo sa busia because Kemi is a very autonomous body omo betimi akwa borrow funds e they are engaging in certain projects me pa say they make an what here so ye be sre eye mayor de nim say one de obetimi aye ye be sre ne say o se busia wo busia mbekwa akobo a omo mbo sa busia no no mo fa nkobo e ma me nani enimani mi ya because he say few days to Christmas na nemo we ni na already no the economy is very 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 tightened economy no why den minua be ma ade kwa no wo tompu kwa no yento ade a wo de 100 cedis akoto no to that kwa you are forced to even sell it below the 100 cedis because who pesca e de aye bibi na after the ade a who turn less than what you bought it no je bi ade na sashi enti ya de bi ya se film ye pa na se jeka ka bibi about credit ratings no e bi wo ho dada ebi wo ho rating meba say wo de medin ko share SDS data ma obehu me my ejuma bank for 9 years so I know what I'm saying
okay.
There are credit ratings your brand your DMB credit rating, that is Dun & Bradstreet credit rating, and yes our SDS data credit rating uje bi middle dimbom ehim sisia na credit rating be there ebeba anytime make say Dr. Mamu Baomia on na mo ka say credit rating he doesn't even know what he's saying.
You don't know don't know what you're saying.
Me say e bia nka be ye obi like only finance background na be ka say na chen obi man na pass by
and you don't understand the finances that you're saying.
I am telling you say there is a credit rating in Ghana. What the credit rating Dun & Bradstreet and that's SDS data
no for woody shame
a software
no
when your software and now do dia shame
with the Wi-Fi woody shame no you should know so see
there be
so see wo see wo
where your computer asem computer asem say app
so wo woody e beba
let me get better
I don't know your app
what's there
SDS data a credit rating
and far bi ama
DMB a credit rating and no say o pese wo check one kasa wo JB credit rating na when you get access to the SDS data o pako bank bia omo do din shema they will even show you your credit worthy.
You are lying.
So wakobo say another bank wakobo say o baby it will show it.
I see.
It will show it.
E wo hosisi
am no wo
say you are lying.
And the omo ka say there's no credit rating and omo bo any day.
Canada, Capital One.
Forget about Canada. Me say be Ghana.
You don't have
Google
my business.
Google
my business from 1978.
Oh, and no be provide credit rating that. Oh, bank
SDS.
Two credit rating agents we have in Ghana. SDS data.
It's not about individuals.
DMB. Oh. BOG approved.
I think that you have a better.
Yes. So what I'm saying is, already we have credit rating agencies in Ghana here.
Oh, you are talking about
all the banks rely on to credit.
Fuga, better understand.
Yes.
We are talking about credit data and asset credit ratings agencies.
No, you're talking about credit rating.
Yes, rating.
And America say
do we have them?
Yes, we have. Then America.
Is it an agency or it is a rating on its own?
It's a rating on this one. Say it is the agency that does the ratings.
No, so enye something that your system that you can even check it yourself.
No, we won't say credit ratings. You know, say call any financial institution because someone a issue.
Yes.
And these softwares, you know, and as applications, you know, because about internet, BBI is about application.
Yeah.
ADB BBI application. Ghana card application, BBI application. And to and if you walk to any other bank, I'm daring you, walk to any other bank, next time you check it or credit rating as an individual. They will have it on their computer. They will just key in and show you say JB what bobo sian you say Beige Bank and as a first alliance savings and loans. It will show you risk your default maintenance. It will show there.
I see.
And we have it for companies and we have it for individuals. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Nama Wakase and there's no credit rating agency no and they be ni Ghana no debem obwa no be akawaye Juma as deputy governor of Bank of Ghana. Now we say say there are credit rating agencies in this country. They credit assess individuals and companies.
So
Maybe
good. All right. GhanAkoma 87.9 and JB zoom into our discussion. Me oh Roberta.
Baby.
Maminto.
JB. Everyone want passes of about say. There's a difference between agencies, you know. And as an individual.